Hi everybody, it's Rob. I'm busy thinking how much I enjoy making these videos, and I think something must be wrong with me to get such joy from it. Okay, so we're busy with a case study on how to do a pillar post or pillar page and do it properly. Okay, so we've got to video number 3, which is step 2, and it's the YouTube research. Now, let me say this. This is what started me in the first place. I decided I wanted to rank a couple of videos. Because look what's turned. It's typical of me. I just wanted to put up 3 or 4 videos quickly a day ago and let them start ranking. But I realized that, hey, it can't hurt to have the video go to a decent page. And so like anything in Rob's world, I can either do it not at all or do it properly, which inevitably or even worse, sometimes my property runs out of steam and I forget I'm busy with it. But hey, I enjoy the beginning bits, so let me just shut up there. So what it really started with was that I opened my software called TubeRank, and I was using it to do the research, and then all of this came from there. So let me show you how this would really work. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video while I open TubeRank and open YouTube as well. So give me a second. Okay, so let me just say this. You would need to eyeball this is a bit dangerous. Remember, you can't really check the competition easily without software. But you can check. So here's my keywords everywhere. Did I not turn it off? Oh, there it is. I'm busy paying hundreds of credits for this. Okay, so there's my 590 searches per month coming back up in there. Now, so if you've put up a search for what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups, it comes up in here. Cool. And I'm in YouTube. I've hit search. It comes up with an ad and an ad. So natural health report and fibromyalgia, which is Facty. I have no clue how much they pay for that. I did mention, by the way, that I'm probably going to run ads, and it'll be this kind of ad or ads in here, right? So there are a couple of things that you need to check to see if you can even vaguely rank on page 1 if you're going to eyeball it. Okay, so here's how it works. You would need to know your niche quite well. Now, if you know the Mayo Clinic, it's massive. This is I don't know, a couple of $1 million a month income site. I have no clue who Dr. Larry Santora is, but they've had 176,000 views over 6 years. This is 84,000 in only 7 months. They've had fibromyalgia themselves. The title is Nucleus Medical Media, 300,000 over 6 years. So, can you see? Very, very old videos, 6 years, 1 year, 8 months, 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 7 years, charming, 1 year, 4 years, and have we got past number 10? I think there's 10 on a page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10-ish. So, number 1, I'm in trouble on YouTube with this, right? It doesn't scare me, because I've got software. Actually, it does scare me, but it doesn't matter. I just needed to do it right. That's really what I was trying to tell you. Right, so now also you need to see this, is that these are respected YouTube channels, that some of them have got hundreds of videos. So the YouTube user Mayo Clinic has got 340,000 subscribers. They've got does it not tell me how many videos anymore? They're just bullies. Let's just say they've got quite a few videos. So to compete with a channel this powerful, I mean, the truth is to be this channel, wow, yeah. But in the meantime, okay, so let's just go with thousands of videos. Good for them. Yay. So know that if for me to dislodge these people, I'm really going to have to be nice to Google, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. I don't expect to rank in the first 5 here, but I would like to rank number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I need to beat out what foods trigger fibromyalgia pain. Now watch this. This is what foods trigger fibromyalgia pain, right? This is fibromyalgia itself. This explains the symptoms. This is their clinic radio. I have no idea how they did this. Okay. But if I was a client searching for what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups, I'm going to go down here until I find a flare-up one, right? So I'm going to put a picture here where the yellow writing is, what foods trigger fibromyalgia pain. That's sort of a flare, but here we go. This is a flare. So this is in spite of fibromyalgia, 7,000 views and yeah, I want to be that person. Hello, lady, I'm coming to get you. Unless you're my friend, and then we'll talk. So, how to know if you're in a fibromyalgia flare and what to do. Again, not a correct keyword, but they've got fibromyalgia and flare. Not even flare up. Can you see? So my fibromyalgia flare ups, invisible eye, 94,000. I'm going to be coming to look for all of you people to influencers to make you. Yeah, sorry. So that's how to eyeball it. And now, if you're looking, as I've just said, the keywords aren't totally correct in here. If you're going to open each one, you can. You're going to go and look for how well they've done their description. First you're going to pause it. First you're going to wait for the damn ads to go away. And then you're going to pause it. I am anyway. Okay, so, wow, I love these numbers, 300,000. So they've had 290 comments. That's easy to get with fibromyalgia people, by the way. Because all of us have got something to say about our condition. And of course we want to share it with other people with fibromyalgia, because you know what, our friends and family don't have a clue what we're going through. Fine. So ignore that. I'm looking for the description. Here, sorry. Show more. Oh, how tiny is this description, right? Now, fair enough. 2,000 subscribers. Problem. Age. Problem. Lots of views. Problem. But I can still optimize. That's the word I'm looking for. My video for the correct keyword, the correct description, the correct hashtags, and the correct tags. These don't show you tags, by the way, so that's where my software wins. So sorry that I've taken 7 minutes to show you the eyeball method. Once you think you're okay here, in other words, mostly that your keywords are not showing up correctly on the page of the search that they came up on, you can go ahead and do this. Now, let me show you the software. So let's forget about the bump on my brain comes out of gear. So TubeRank 4, sorry, is a paid thing. You can see what I've done here. Fibromyalgia and stress, what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups. I don't know if this does anything if I click on it. I'm supposed to know what's going on in here. I'm not so good at being efficient with software and stuff that I buy, my bad. Okay, so let's just go to this. My main keyword is what causes fibromyalgia flare-ups. I really wish... okay, so I'd go to discover or analyze, I think. Or I'd go to... I'm not even sure what I did. There we go. Shut up. Shut up, okay. So I think I researched 10 and I discovered the videos and stats, boom, and go. And then they went and searched for them and they come up with these things, right? So it told me that, and we don't want to go into this, they've had so many likes and so many not likes and so many eyeballs and the sentiments. Now watch this. First ranking difficulty 100%, 10th ranking difficulty 1%. I'm in. I want to be 5. Remember, I couldn't have got to 1 and 2, but I want to really be the other guys. So check it out. It tells you each one of these. I can click on the third. Let's go to where was that lady? The 4th. That I reckon that maybe I can catch fibromyalgia. View keywords. And look what they're targeting. They've got touch and pain and sensitivity, swelling. They're ranking on those keywords. No hashtags. So this software does that for me. Now there's somewhere here it analyzes or it optimizes. Yeah, that's right. So as I've done my thing, I added it in here, and I'm going to bail out of here, by the way, and I'm going to go to my page that I wrote, because that's really somewhere here. Give me a sec, I have to pause this and find what I did. Found it. By the way, my keyword research, I didn't show you in the other video, came up as well. And this is how I did it. So I've got all my keywords that I found and the amount. So in other words, now I'm ready. This, I don't have to do keyword research again next time. I'll go and pick one here. So here, chronic fatigue syndrome treatment. If I want a big one, 8,100. Otherwise, I go for chronic fatigue and fibromyalgia and target those 260. It's a simple level. This is one. Struggling to work with fibromyalgia. Now remember, I'm trying to, these are targeted keywords for me, because people, if they're battling to work, well, you know about it if you've got fibromyalgia. In fact, you know about it if you're watching this video, because you're in my system. So yeah, good keywords, Rob. Yeah, 10 out of 10. Let's get out of there. Now, this was what that software brought for me. It kept telling me percent. I checked my rankings until it told me 101% optimized. Okay. So here's what it did. It told me, this is the keyword I put in there, so I just started it with that. I'm targeting that, the title. So it told me, I had to fiddle with my title a few times, and it told me what to use in the title to make it the best from an optimization point of view. Then, as it did my description, it asked me to put what causes flare-ups in the top line or two, and the key link to my page. Then it told me which hashtags to use. I didn't totally listen to that, but they said as long as there's 5. And then they told me to keep, they made me do this over and over again, the buggers, until I got it right. Because it's a lot of words I had to write. I was very unhappy I had to do so much work. And then they said, make sure you tell people to please subscribe to your channel. I also promised that I'll put it into, sorry, wait for it, it's coming to me. A view, when you optimize a video on YouTube, you put it into it's a series of videos all together in a playlist. Thank you. Shit. If I could just make my brain work better than that slow speed. It's like running in mud. Playlist. So I promised I'd put it in a playlist. Hell, you think, I mean, I do playlists literally hundreds of times a month. Such a stupid word. Sorry, no more moaning. Okay, and then these were my keywords. I'd love to see it let me put this keyword in. I'm sorry, it's what the software told me, but time and again, if I put that level of keyword in, it says to me, meh. And yet somebody else got away with it. It irritates the crap out of me. What the hell is this? Stressful events can make... I don't have a clue why I put that in down there. Maybe it was when I was starting to type this out. So that's it. So basically that software has given me this information. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. My bad. Sorry, I'm unorganized. Put your title of your keyword into your title and even make it longer. Make sure your title is very near the top of your description. Put your link to the page you want to send it to in the description. Choose 5 hashtags that obviously are also sort of keywords. Do your description preferably to as many as 500 words. Try not to put in bad spelling and stuff in the subject. Oh my goodness, I hope it fixes it when I get nearer the time up there. My spelling is atrocious. I don't even care, that's the sad part. I'm like a nightmare to grammar police. So Nazis. So yeah, that's it. So decent 500 word, up to 500 words in your description. Invite them to subscribe. Put it into a playlist, and then get keywords that are related to your video. And then later on, when I load the video, because if you forget all of this, all of this is this is the file I'm putting together for this case study I'm putting together with you, for you. Later on, when I actually make the video, so somewhere here it says make the video. I wonder if I say it. I'd love to see that. Publish the video. Take the link and add it to the video description. Probably post that the video, then make a video. I've done it about the infographic, which is fine. I could do a video like this too. In fact, the video, to be honest, should be 2 or 3 minutes, not these 15-minute ones I'll make. My bad. Welcome to the ride. So that is how you maximize this to work properly. If you want to, I will add, you have to ask me, but I will, sorry, you can go and look up TubeRank Jeet Pro 4, or please, if you don't mind, go to the resources page and use my affiliate link, which should be there. And in fact, if it's not there, take 5 minutes just to email me and say, Rob, you haven't put TubeRank Jeet in the resources links with your affiliate link yet. Please do it. I'll do it, and you'd be able to earn me a commission for my efforts. Thank you. In the meantime, I am happy with it. Keep an eye on this page, though, because I'll be able to tell you how well it worked or not. Right, let me get to the next video. Sorry, I'm talking too much for you to you about this. Step 3 coming up. Cheers.